North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum today took proactive measures to address the persisting issue of traffic congestion in and around Motphran area. Joined by the SP Traffic, DSP Traffic Police, OC Lumdingjeri Police Station and local headmen from various concerned localities, the MLA conducted an inspection to assess and mitigate the traffic-related challenges. During the inspection, Nongrum urged local cab drivers to avoid contribution to unnecessary traffic jams by queuing for extended periods and asked the public to cooperate and adhere to traffic rules, fostering a collective responsibility to elevate traffic congestion in the area.
Mari kita dikilap kali kami le. Sama kita badan flow traffic. Mari kita transport putuli ada kita ke flow traffic andi kita kejing lama kora kejing nak kali kan ke blok kan dan baik. Kani kalau kejing kerpat buat shop dengan air bertengah mokum ke dorbar senang bang aku membeli dekat buat polis department yang ngej buat pajak buat taksi buat ki driver jom ki taksi dari kali fair kindon kata ke jeng sotu kejing nyak kali ki joki.
The Khasi